Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share this video with you because it is all about opportunities, and today I'm talking about remote jobs. Now, these days remote work has got a certain kind of allure to it, especially since the pandemic. Gone are the days when 9 to 5 was the norm. These days freelance work is shaping the world. It is the future. So in this video I'm going to share with you some sites where you can find remote work, where you can find high paying remote jobs. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Africa, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, or whether you are in the UK, US, Canada, Australia. These sites, there will be something for you on these sites. There's something for everyone. And what's really exciting about these sites is that these sites are low competition sites. Forget places like Fiverr, because those places are saturated by now. Everyone knows Fiverr. Everyone goes on Fiverr to find remote jobs. So forget those places. These sites, as I said, are low competition sites. And some of the jobs have been on there like for ages, because these are not well-known sites and not everyone is going on there to look for jobs. But these jobs are there. They are available for all of you to just go there and apply. So please, I just want to urge you to take your time to go through these sites, like comb the sites with a fine-tooth comb, because if you do things properly, if you take the time to go through everything and to submit using the format that they tell you on these sites, or if they ask you to submit a CV, then please take the time to write everything that you need to write on that CV. Follow the format that they are asking for. If you're applying for a job in the UK, then it is wise, or it is worth you finding out exactly what format is preferred in the UK, because each country has got a preferred CV format. If the job you're applying for is in Egypt or Kenya, then it is worth you finding out the CV format that is preferred in those countries. And also, if you're asked to provide some information on that site, or if you're asked to fill out an initial form, then make sure that you put your best foot forward. If they're asking for certain skills that you possess, then you need to sell yourself. Make sure that you put everything down. And if you've got transferable skills, for instance, if you're going for a certain job online and you haven't got experience in that specific job, but you have transferable skills that will be useful in that job, or those transferable skills will make it possible for you to execute that job, then put those transferable skills on that form, on your application form. Sell yourself, because I once made a video about how to get a job without experience. You can absolutely get a job without experience or with little experience. You just have to sell yourself the right way. You need to state what sort of experiences you have, because you as a person, you are a brand. You have experience because you have lived life. So those experiences you've gathered over time through your personal experiences or through other jobs, the jobs that you've done in the past, those experiences are crucial when you're applying for that new job. So when you fill in your application form, when you write your CV, make sure to include those skills, those transferable skills, because those skills will come in handy. So in this video, that's exactly what I've got for you. So I have this site. So the first site that I have for you is called remoteforafrica.com. So you simply type that onto Google and it will give you this menu. You can either click on the main homepage or go straight to the list of jobs. I like to click on the main homepage first, so I can have the complete overview of what's on offer. So right here at the top, you have the jobs by categories. So you simply pick a category depending on your interest and skill set. So right at the bottom as well, it gives you a list of jobs that are available. So let us pick media, content and writing, because a lot of people are into content writing these days. So under content writing, we have this list of jobs. So you simply pick one that you want. So we can try technical writer. So as you can see here at the top, it is a full-time job, which is great. And you can apply for this job pretty much from anywhere in the world, including Africa. So that's always a great thing. So let's sign up first. So create an account, put in your details, your email address, and then select the region. So let's pick Zimbabwe. There you go. And the region is in the Southern Africa. So the category is media, content and writing. And right here it says agree to the terms and conditions. So always read the terms and conditions first so that you know what you're getting yourself into. And then if you agree, you sign up. And then you just follow the instructions from there. So this is another great site, but I really like the next site. So this site is called remotive.com. Now I really love this site. Again, you type it onto Google, it brings out this menu. So let's go to the home page, and it takes you to this beautiful home page. Look at that. Now if you look on the left hand side, it gives you a list of countries, but we don't have to restrict ourselves. We can filter that and we can add Zimbabwe on there if we want. If you want to add South Africa, we can do that. If we want to add Nigeria, we can do that. If you want to add Ghana, you can do that. So I really love this site because you have all these filters and it brings out a list of jobs depending on your location or where you want to find this job. Now again, at the top you have a list of categories as well. If you pick writing, for instance, you scroll down and you find out where the jobs are. Now this one, it's called senior technical writer, and it's worldwide, which is exactly what you want. It doesn't matter where you are. And here the job was posted only 5 days ago. So these are current jobs. They are not even old jobs. Really guys, I advise you to hop on there if remote work is something that interests you, and it gives you the job specification, what they want, and the skills that you need to have and everything. So I really love this, and it even tells you the salary that you will get. So yeah, you can see the possibilities, can't you? So that's the second site that I had for you. Another great site that I'm excited to share with you is called remoteok.com. Now let's go straight to find jobs in the UK. So if you're in the UK, this is a great place for freelance work. If you've got another job already and you plan to eventually replace your job, this is the place to go. And this site is tech focused. So if you've got that type of skill set, this is perfect for you. And it's not so popular, which is a good thing because it means you stand a much better chance of landing a gig on there, and you can pick your choice depending on how much they pay, because remember that the more complex the job, the higher they pay. So simply scroll and find what it is that you want to do and something that matches your skill set. As you can see, there are quite a lot of jobs on there. So let's just click on this one and see what comes up. Okay, it says it takes a few seconds. So yeah, you sign up. As with most websites, you have to sign up. I think it's the easiest way, because when you sign up as well, you've got the option to choose whether you want to stay updated with the new jobs on offer. So this is another great site as well. And if you're in Africa, you can absolutely get these jobs. You don't have to be restricted in terms of location. You can tailor your location, simply pick and scroll through, and yeah, just keep changing your location accordingly. Now the last site that I have for it's called remoteafrica.io. Again, type it onto Google and it gives you this list of menus. So let's check it out. Now it says here, this is the largest remote work community in Africa, which is great, by the way. And if you scroll down, you've got a list of jobs. Again, you can pick a category. You can see there's a list here. And if you're into copywriting, again, you simply click and it gives you the list of jobs that are available. And let's choose another category. Let's try product marketing. So marketing. So we have content writer. So you can see content is king. Content. And as you can see, it's actually one of those latest jobs. It was posted on the 10th of March. So it's quite recent. So it's full time as well, which is always a great thing. And it gives you a list of responsibilities. So as you read this list, you'll be able to determine whether you're qualified for this job or not. And they also give you the qualifications that you need and the benefits that you get and the salary as well. It tells you everything. But again, don't forget, I did a video about how to find a job with no experience. You can find a job with no experience as long as you have the qualifications. Even if they're asking for a certain amount of years experience, you can use your transferable skills. There is a way to do that, and I'll put the link of the video that I did explaining how to go about it. So I'll put that link at the end of this video. So yeah, this is what I had for you in this video. As always, I hope you found it useful. If you want more content like this and haven't subscribed, then consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Take care.